Pivot Grid allows users to create a report using dimensions and measures to aggregate their data based on custom attributes and export out that data. In Tempus, you can report on live or model data, add dimensions to columns and rows, add measures to populate the data within the report, create calculated measures, filter on dimensions, and export out reports to Excel, CSV, or PDF formats. Pivot Grid report in Tempus, you want to click on the Report Management tile on your homepage, and then go to the Pivot Grid option here. From here, you can give your report a name, give it a description if you'd like, and then choose the source model. It'll be either live data or pulled from a model. Next, you want to go to the dimensions area where you can bring in your data. So let's say I want to bring in my dates. So I want to bring in date year and date month. You'll always need to make sure you have date year, or you're filtering on a date year if you want to look at date month. There are these other granularities, or it will sum each of the values for each month. Okay. Then I want to bring in my project information. So let's say I want to bring in my study name, my task name, and then I want to bring in my resource names. Okay, I'll add those to rows. Finally, I may want to bring in my measures. Let's say I want to compare planned and actuals. I want to bring in my planned time and compare it with my actual time. From here, you'll see that your report populated here. You can expand your dates to see the different data, different months. Additionally, you can filter in here. So if I wanted to filter by a specific study or project name, I can select these from here and apply it, and then it will show within the filters area here. You can also search for dimensions within this area as well. So if you have a particular field you want to find, you can search. The last area is the layout area. This is just how the report looks. You can change the layout of your headers. You can add your subtotals or grand totals or remove them if you need to. You can also add different heat maps for your Pivot Grid report as well. Within here, you also have runtime filters that you can use as well. These will persist while you're in the report, and then will be removed next time you log out and come back into this report. If you wanted to have filters that persist, you'd have to use these filters down here. Additionally, we also have the expand all or collapse all options, different formatting options for your layout. You can center your data if you'd like, for example. You can also choose the decimals, either decrease or increase them. And then you can also export this data out to Excel, CSV, or a PDF.